Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, March 22nd. This is my analysis of the Euro US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the monthly Euro dollar, I still do think this is going to trend up, even though I do believe it is going down more on the shorter time frames first. I still think it is eventually on the monthly going to go up and take out these highs and end up looking something like this. Now that is the monthly, so it's going to take probably years for that to play out. So let's head down to the weekly. On the weekly, I still think this first push up is a 1. I still think this is an expanding flat wave 2. Higher high wave B, lower low wave C. Definitely looks like an expanding flat. I think this is a 1. Most likely we are going down for a C, so this is probably an A, B, C of 2. And then I think it's eventually, maybe in like a few weeks, maybe 3, 4, 6 weeks or so, it's going to go up for that big wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think it's pretty clear what's going on here, which is this is a downtrend, probably all wave A. I still think this is 3 waves up, 1, 2, 3, wave B. Went right to the 61.8% fib. I think it's clearly a 1, 2, 3, and I think it's very clearly going to go down for a wave C. Probably take out these highs before it actually does go up for a wave 3. I still think this 5 waves up is a 1. I still think this is an ABC of 2, and I still think eventually it is going to go up for that big wave 3. So, taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame is where you can see the 5 wave downtrend. This move up was very, very steep because of the interest rate this week, but it was very clearly 3 waves up with a very impulsive move down. I think it's a 1, I think it's a 2, and I think we're currently in a wave 3. Now, you would think that we'd get a pullback at some point, but I wouldn't be counting on it. I mean, it could just keep on trending down, especially if this really is a wave 3, which it definitely looks like it is. Hopefully it does make some more pullbacks along the way, because if it does, that should give us another opportunity to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, I definitely would not go short right now, and I definitely wouldn't go long. What I would have to do is patiently, kind of like what happened yesterday, I'd have to patiently wait for a 3 way pullback. If we get a nice 1, 2, 3 way pullback, we get a nice impulsive engulfing move to the downside, I would for sure take it as a sorting opportunity. I wouldn't try to sort it now, and I definitely wouldn't really try to go long. Maybe if you're like a 1 minute time frame scalper, you could try to go long at the end of a wave B, but even that I feel like is pretty dangerous, because I do believe that the real money to be made is definitely going to be continuing to look for sorting opportunities at the end of 3 wave pullbacks for the continuation of what I think is a wave 3 of wave C, which is actually part of a big wave 2 on the daily, weekly, and probably monthly time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked in the card up here above, and also don't forget to check out my new website linked down here in the corner. So as always, thanks and happy trading.